In front of me is NUBIA Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. Begin by opening settings and tapping on display section right away. Then use this switcher next to automatic brightness, located under brightness slider, to either turn it on, the switcher is blue, or switch it off, making it gray. Quick tip, most people forget that even if you don't want to use auto brightness, you can go into tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. And while adjusting brightness manually, decide if you want to turn on or off auto brightness whenever you want to, thanks to this eye icon on the left. When it's blue, auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on it until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!